Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone notification banner not appearing. Don't worry, this is common setting issue. Follow those simple steps to fix it in just 2 minutes. Step 1. Check notification style. Go to settings, then notifications. Tap the app that's not showing banners. Make sure allow notifications is on and banner is checked. Step 2. Set banner style to persistent. Still inside the app's notification settings. Tap banner style. Select persistent instead of temporary. Notification stay visible. Step 3. Enable lock screen and notification center. Make sure lock screen, notification center and banners are all enabled. If any of those are off, banners may not appear. Step 4. Turn off focus and do not disturb. Swipe down from the top right to open control center. If focus or do not disturb is on, turn it off. Focus modes obtain block notification banners. Step 5. Check notification preview settings. Go to settings, then notifications, then show previews, then set it to always. Hidden previews can make banners look like they are not appearing. Step 6. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus side button, then slide to power off, then back on again. Restart your iPhone to refresh. This fix many temporary glitches instantly. Step 7. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install any available update. Notification box are obtained fixed in updates, and that's it. Your iPhone notification banner should now appear normally. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.